social, economic and technological trends for supervisors to improve upon their existing systems. What are these trends we see right now, and how do financial institutions face these trends? So we see a major trend to digitize the existing systems or the existing processes. We also see a rising expectation of the society, and we definitely see a rise in the costs of regulation. So what do financial institutions do right now? They want to automate their processes. They want to some kind of industrialize processes and outsource them. And to be honest, they try to think about AI and big data and machine learning, but right now the data quality isn't in that manner. So we say in the first step, you have to move to systems like distributed ledger technology to get the data quality in the right manner. In 2019, we see the European regulatory sphere accelerating its activities with regards to AI, blockchain and DLT. We see use cases coming up and going live almost on a daily basis. We at BearingPoint see three major trends how or what regulators want to achieve. So we see that they want to achieve high data quality, high granularity, and almost going to live data quality. And we think that we can tackle that with the distributed ledger technology as one of the instruments to get there. While financial markets in 2018 thought that blockchain is the solution to all of their problems, we definitely see a consolidation in 2019. So what are the main challenges we see right now in the blockchain or DLT market, also with regards to regulatory reporting? So we don't see clearly the transformation scenarios coming from our existing world to a really 100% DLT-based world. And one of the main problems right now is to find governance solutions, how market participants act with each other, how they trust each other. I think this is the main work we have to do this year and next year to get to the next step. More and more financial instruments going live on blockchain. So how do transformation scenarios look like? Either we see whole portfolios going live on blockchain, so we can definitely see whole of the value chain on a blockchain from the front office till the regulatory reporting, or we do it in the transformational steps so that we first go to the back office and work with APIs and still have front offices in place by doing reporting on blockchain. This could be as well a scenario we can see in the future. BearingPoint demonstrated in the proof of concept that DLT-based regulatory reporting is really possible. So how does a system like that look like? So we introduced counterparties, and we introduced also a new role, the regulatory body, which is part of the network. And we also introduced a smart contract for IRS interest rate swaps, and we included all the regulatory information required into that smart contract. Once a deal gets done, a notary node, which is some kind of a computer program, checks the smart contract and all information within, if it's regulatory compliant to EMIR. And once it is done, the deal gets written into the ledgers of the counterparties. And it also gets written into the ledger of the supervisor. So in this moment, you achieve high data granularity, live data, and this is exactly what DLT is really good for regulatory reporting.